Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on BIGO Live. If you'd like to learn how to find friends and add them on your BIGO Live, tap open BIGO Live application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the search icon in the top right corner right next to the notification icon. In the search box, type in the username, the BIGO Live ID, or the live title of a particular person that you'd like to add. Once you search for the person's name or their BIGO Live ID, you'll be able to see all of the names that matches your search in the search result. Tap on the particular search result that you'd like to add. Now from the relevant host option displayed right beneath, tap on the username or their name and simply tap on the follow back button at the bottom left in order to follow the person. How to change your phone number on BIGO Live. If you'd like to change your current phone number to something else and you'd like to update it on BIGO Live, to change your phone number on BIGO Live, make sure you're signed into your account, and once you end up in the home page, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, scroll all the way down until you see settings and tap it on the next page. Now, tap on Account Management under Settings, go to the phone option at the top and tap it on. You'll be able to see two options on the screen. One is to change your phone number and the other is to change your password. To change your phone number, tap on the first option. Now, you'll need to type in the verification code that will be sent to your current number. Tap on the Send button right next to it to receive it. Once you receive the code, type it into the verification text box and click Next. Now, simply change your phone number by erasing the current one and typing in the new one. Tap on the Send button after you're done typing in your name right next to your phone number box in order to receive a verification code. Type in the verification code in the text box after you receive it and tap on Done. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your phone number on BIGO Live. How to play BIGO Live games. If you'd like to broadcast games on BIGO Live, tap open BIGO Live application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you are from the home page of BIGO Live, tap on the round icon in the middle of the screen at the bottom. Now this will take you to Multi-Guest Live option. Swipe towards the left side and make sure you are inside the Game Live option. Now, you can add a title if you'd like to chat while broadcasting your game. Tap on the Add a Title to Chat button at the top and simply type in the title for your game. Now, tap on this link right here in order to choose a game. Once you do that, from the list of the games that are appearing on the display, select anyone that you'd like to stream. Once you make your selection, tap on Go Live at the bottom. Start your broadcasting or recording with BIGO Live by tapping on the Start Now button at the bottom right, and that way you'll be able to play and broadcast game on BIGO Live. How to uninstall BIGO Live on your Android device. If you're done using the BIGO Live application since you've deleted your account and you'd also want to get rid of your account from your Android device, now let's proceed further. You can uninstall BIGO Live in two ways. Simply swipe through your app drawer and find BIGO Live into the app list. Once you find the application, simply press hold to the application and you'll be able to see an expanded menu. Tap on the Uninstall button in order to uninstall the application, and in the pop-up, select OK to confirm your selection. That was one way you can uninstall your application. The other way is to go to your settings from your phone and tap it on. Once you reach to the settings menu, scroll all the way down and go to apps and tap it on. From the list of the applications that are installed on your device, search for BIGO Live, and once you spot the app, tap it on. You'll end up in the app information section. Go to the uninstall button at the bottom of the screen and tap it on. In the pop-up that appears at the bottom of the screen, tap OK and wait until the application is uninstalled. Now soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that your application has been deleted or uninstalled from your phone. How to change your location on BIGO Live. If you've recently changed your location and you'd like to change that on your BIGO Live application as well, first, open up your BIGO Live application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once you are, from the home page, tap Open Your Profile by tapping on the human icon at the bottom right. Now, go to the human icon at the top right corner from the Me page. Tap on the pen and paper icon at the top right corner and this will take you to your edit page. Now go to the hometown section and simply give it a tap. Select your country or region that you would like to change to. You can also search in the search box by typing in the particular country that you reside in. Once you select the country of your choice, go back and there you can see my hometown location has been changed on BIGO Live. You can simply go back now and you are done. How to change your profile picture in BIGO Live. If you are really bored of the current profile avatar on your BIGO Live and you would like to do something about it by changing it to something new, tap open your BIGO Live application from the app drawer in order to start. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you are, tap on the human icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. As you can see that my profile picture or avatar has been displayed at the top of the screen, simply give it a tap and this should open up your profile a bit. Now, go to the pen and paper icon at the top right corner from this page, tap on the picture that you'd like to change, and then there are two options that you can work with. One is to choose from the album from your mobile device, and the other is to take a photo right now from your camera. Select any one choice. Let me go ahead and select choose from album since I want to update an existing photo of myself. Open it up with your gallery, and now from your phone gallery, choose any picture that you'd like to use. Once you find the picture, tap on the save button. Make sure to adjust the picture how you'd like it to appear on your profile and tap on save at the bottom right. You can see that the profile picture has been changed. You can now go back and see your profile avatar changing on BIGO Live. How to find friends on BIGO Live. If you'd like to find some of your friends on BIGO Live so that you can connect to them, watch their live broadcast, start by tapping open your BIGO Live application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once you are, from the home page, go to the search icon at the top right corner. Tap it on, and this will take you to this page. From this page, at the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a search box. Simply go ahead and type in a username of one of your friends that you'd like to follow, or you can also type in their ID, their live title, in order to search for them. Let me go ahead and type in a username over here. Once you type in a username, you'll be able to find the search result for your search into the relevant host category. Simply tap open the person that you are trying to find. As soon as you open up a profile, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. And there you have found a profile of one of your friends that you'd like to follow on BIGO Live. You can now tap on the follow back button at the bottom left corner to follow them. If you'd like to start a chat, tap on the chat button and start connecting. I hope you learned how to find friends on BIGO Live so that you can follow and start connecting with them. How to kick someone off of BIGO Live. Imagine if you're live streaming on BIGO Live and there is a person who's trying to harass you, or there's simply someone who joined your live broadcast that you don't want them to join, or if someone joined your live broadcast that you don't want to be connected with, then you can simply kick off that person from the live stream. First, tap open your BIGO Live application from your app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you are, go ahead and start a live broadcast. Tap on the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and select the live broadcast type and tap on Go Live. Once you start your live broadcast, wait for the people to join in. You can manage your live broadcast by tapping on the Manage button at the bottom right. If you'd like to invite some friends to join in, tap on the Invite button. Share your link by tapping on Copy Link and send it to one of your friends. Once the person joins in, go and tap on their profile. If you'd like to kick someone off of your room on BIGO Live, tap on the Manage button now. From the options displayed, tap on Kick Out. Confirm your selection by tapping on Confirm. If you'd like to block them and prohibit them from entering to your room next time they try to join in, tap on the circle right here and tap on Confirm. And congratulations! Now you know how to block or kick off a viewer on BIGO Live Stream. How to add music in BIGO Live. If you'd like to add and play music while live streaming on BIGO Live, then you need to tap open your BIGO Live application first and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home page, tap on the big blue button at the bottom of the screen, and now from the bottom of the page, select Audio Live. At the top of the page, right where it says add a title to chat, type in the title for your audio live. Select the audience for your live stream by tapping on the public button. You can control who can enter the room by selecting one of the options over here and tap on save. And now, after you're done, tap on Go Live. A countdown will begin. Now you can simply tap on the menu button at the bottom of the screen, and from the pop-up, tap on Music. Tap on the plus button with the music icon in it in order to add a music. Go ahead and search through your library to add and play music on BIGO Live. Once you find the music that you'd like to add, tap on the plus button right next to it, and you've added a music. You can also add multiple music at once. Simply tap on the plus button to add them to the queue. Now you can go back to the main live stream page and tap on the music icon. If you do that, you can control the sound of your music that is playing in the background and the playlist. To play the music, tap on the play button from the control panel, and you'll be able to see that the music is being played in the background. In order to end your live broadcast, go and click on the cross icon in the top right corner, and from the pop-up, select Quit Broadcast. How to be a host on BIGO Live. If you'd like to become a host on BIGO Live so that you can get paid from your viewers, send you gifts, and as well as receive payments from BIGO Live directly, start by tapping open your BIGO Live application from your app drawer. There are two ways to become a host on BIGO Live. The one way is to directly go live and earn from gifts. The other way is to become an official host and paid with salary. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go directly live and start your broadcasting and become a host on BIGO Live. From the BIGO Live homepage, go to the blue button at the bottom of the screen and tap it on. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see all of the options from where you can work with. Select any one live option from the menu. You can start with multi-guest live. Simply start a live video, host an audio live, and also play a game and broadcast. Let me select the live option from this page. Before going live on BIGO Live, you can go to the top of the page and add a title to chat for your BIGO Live broadcast. Let me just type in "just testing today." Now select the audience from your live broadcast where you can see the public drop down. Simply tap it on and select the audience. You can either set it to public so that everyone can view on BIGO Live. If you'd like to invite certain people, then you can go and tap on the key room option. Here you can set a key that people will need in order to enter your room. Let me just type in a random keyword over here and tap on save at the top right. Now you can simply copy the link of your key right here by tapping on the copy link. Send it to your friends. If you'd like to broadcast in private, simply tap on the private option and tap save. Now you can change a cover photo for your live broadcast. Tap on change cover, select a picture from your gallery, adjust the picture like how you'd want it to appear, and tap save. And there you have changed your cover for your live stream. If you'd like to mention any tag, tap on the select tag drop down and select a tag from the options. You can also select multiple tags at a time. After you're done, tap save. Now, if you'd like to use any kind of a filter for yourself while live streaming, then tap on this icon over here at the bottom left. Once you do that, choose a filter for yourself. You can also go ahead and smoothen your skin by tapping on the skin option. Choose a filter or any kind of a change that you'd like to make. And after you are done, finally tap on the go live button. Wait until your broadcast starts, and there you are, a host of a particular live stream on BIGO Live. To end your live streaming, tap on the cross button at the top right, and in the pop-up tap on Quit Broadcast. How to delete your BIGO Live account on your desktop. Open up your BIGO Live application and make sure you're logged into your account first. Once you're logged into your account and you are in your home screen, go to the human icon in the bottom right corner and click it on. From your profile page of BIGO Live, scroll all the way down and click on the settings button. Now, from this page, go to account management. Under account management, at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a link that says delete account. Click on that. Now enter your password into the text box to make sure that it is you who's deleting your account. Make sure to type it in correct and click next. You can also go enter your phone verification code. Click on the other verification methods, and from the pop-up at the bottom, click on phone verification. Now click on the send button right next to your phone number. Wait for the verification code to be received on your phone number, and once you receive it, type it into the verification code text field. After you type in your code, click on the next button. After you reach to the next page, you'll need to go through the information first and click on confirm and continue to make sure you would like to delete your account. And now go through the information one more time. Click on this little circle at the bottom where it says I have read and agreed the agreement of account deletion. If you'd like to delete your account, remember that after deletion you'll no longer be able to log into your account or reactivate or restore the account. You won't be able to get a refund on any items that you have purchased after deletion. Your profile photos, videos, messages, comments, and other digital contents will be permanently deleted and cannot be restored. Simply go through what it has to say first and then click on delete account at the bottom right to confirm your deletion. Now click on delete account one more time into the pop-up, and your account will be deleted successfully. How to delete BIGO Live account. To delete your BIGO Live account, go tap open your BIGO Live application first. Make sure to log into the account that you'd like to get rid of. Once you are logged in, from the home page of BIGO Live, go to the human icon in the bottom right corner and tap it on. From this page, tap on settings, and now tap on account management option. Scroll all the way down, and under Account Ownership, you'll be able to see a link that says Delete Account. Once you tap on that, you'll be taken to a next page. Tap on Next. Go through the account deletion conditions. Once you go through it, tap on Confirm and Continue at the bottom. Tap on the circle at the bottom that says I have read and agreed to the terms and condition of BIGO Live, and tap on Delete Account at the bottom right. Now from the pop-up, select Delete Account one more time, and your account has been deleted successfully. That is how you can easily delete your BIGO Live account, quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.